In the heart of Sydney, deep within the basement of this university building, something's happening.
Oh, it's a little bit smelly.
A giant experiment is underway. With every flush from the adjoining toilets, urine is collected, all in the name of science.
If we don't use human waste, it's just a waste. But if we can use a waste, we can produce a valuable fertilizer.
International student Chen Wang is part of the ARC Research Hub for Nutrients in a Circular Economy, based at UTS. The hub's mission is to recover nutrients from either solid or liquid waste. And in this case, that's obviously liquid.
Helping to create a circular and sustainable framework.
Originally from China, Chen came to Australia in 2019 to do her PhD. She specialises in membrane-based technologies, the same technology used in the production of urine-based fertilisers. So, in her third year, she was encouraged by her supervisor, Professor Hoi Yung Shung, to join the hub.
So when we open these, there's all the sensors.
The research group successfully built a membrane bioreactor that can convert 150 litres of urine into 50 litres of fertiliser in a single day.
We can manually also adjust the flow meters.
Our urine, like a liquid gold, is rich in essential elements for plants like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The urine we cannot directly use as a fertilizer because it is mildly due to the volatile ammonia, and also it has some unwanted organics and macropollutants. So we need to use some biotechnology and also absorption technology to remove the organic and the macropollutants.
They've now created 2 nutrient-rich liquid fertilisers that are ready to market.
Most of the research outcome, we cannot do the industrial practical applications. But this urine project, we can see the final urine product, fertilizer, and we can use the fertilizer to grow plants. So it's very interesting and meaningful.
Their fertilisers have been shown to promote plant growth just as effectively as commercial counterparts, but are much more eco-friendly. The UTS team is now working with their Brisbane and Melbourne partners to install the technology in public and portable toilets.
We put all together our urine diversion toilet and the membrane bioreactor system and our technology inside the one caravan system. So we can move around like a music festival, even that any parklands using this next generation of the nutrient recovery toilet system so that we can increase the 1% urine collection. By 2050, we can have a 20%, 30% of the urine collection.
It's just one example of Australia-China collaboration in sustainability and environmental management. Collaboration supercharged by the Australian Water Association with support from the National Foundation for Australia-China Relations.
Our universities are well recognised across the globe for having really high quality education that is applied and practical and integrated with industry. So we really have a unique position here in Australia to really breed the next generation of people who are going to solve some of the global water challenges, not only here, but in our region and across the world.
That integration is on show every year at the largest water conference in the Southern Hemisphere, Ozwater.
We are symbiotic and sustainable.
Many students use the conference to not just learn about new technologies, but to form valuable connections.
We are able to bring the younger generation and give them opportunities to work with industry, and that's where real solutions happen.
Wei Wei and Chen are keen to stay in Australia and continue pursuing their academic careers. They're proof that for young people looking to make a difference, Australia's water sector could be the perfect place.
Having people who are exposed and doing postgraduate studies or post-PhD studies in water management is extremely important, particularly as we've got some challenges across the globe around water security, water quality, and generally around climate change. I've stayed in water for 30 years and worked in very different roles, so it's changing all the time, and I think it's a really exciting